Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see download history on Google Play Store. So let's get started. So if you want to see your download history on Google Play Store, now to check that, what you have to do is first open up your Play Store application. After opening up your Play Store application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. After tapping on the profile icon, now from here just simply tap on manage apps and device, and from here you just have to simply tap on manage or just simply swipe towards the right, and then you will come up over here. From here you will find all your downloaded apps. So what you have to do is just simply tap on the filter option which is on the top right. So recently updated, just simply tap on it and then select recently update, and after doing that, now you'll find all the applications that you have installed in your device. So these are all the applications that you have installed. Now you can also check if there is any update available for those devices. You can also check the games that you have installed and any apps that you have archived. So in this way you can check your download history on Play Store. So that's it guys, this is how to see download history on Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.